slack water plaice. First blackfish of the day. Yeah, hi, fishing out of Brighton again today. It's a bit breezier than the last time. Already got a plaice, lost a big fish. But I think I've got something on the other side, so let's see what the day brings. I think I've got it. That's another very nice Brighton plaice. Woohoo! I'll just show you. Yeah. Not the biggest one. I hope for bigger ones. Yeah, Alan. Trying your traces out of Brighton. And look what the God of the Sea brought me, right? So on your trace that I got from you back in August. Happy days. This time I fish on the other rod. On the point here. both rods got fish on. Tiny little bream. Another one on. Feeds like a bream too. It's one into better one. Hey, little bream. It's a slack water plaice. Slack water now. Hey, and the inevitable top gurnard. Woohoo! Oh, the first little smoothound. Got a bite on the other rod. I reckon it's the same sort of little fish. Nice for the species count. This is literally seconds later. Another little plaice. That's actually a different kind of gurnard. That's a grey gurnard. They're normally a bit smaller like this one, and they don't have a blue edge at the end of the pectoral fins. Grey gurnard. Haha! Not a plaice this time, but a dab. It's all coming today. Got a little ray here as well. Don't know for sure what this one is. Very thorny on the back, but it's not a thorn back. Haha! Would you believe it? It's your mackerel. Yeah, had another great day out of Brighton. 8 species caught. Yeah, was a bit rough outside. When you sit here in the marina, it's obviously no wind because it's all northerly. so we're protected here from all the elements. Bait was just lugworm and squid that I got from the tackle box here at the marina. Yeah, what else can I say? Yeah, again, at the end it got a bit rough. Other than that, another great day out of Brighton. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, the Fishing Brighton UK. Please like and subscribe.